Guys, Seth Van Vlogs here, and we are going to be doing some flips, so I hope you enjoy. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Okay, yeah, so we're at, forgot the name, but we're at waterfall. We're at a waterfall. I'm just walking there now, so yeah, hope you enjoy. So we're just at the lookout now. I see this amazing view. Look at that. Sorry about the wind. It's like really windy. But yeah, it's going to be fun today. Look at that. Amazing view. It's amazing. Look at that. That's the only word I can say right now. It's really cool. You should come here. So guys, this is where we're going to be swimming. Right there. I think you can see that, but if you can't, you'll see it when we get there. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.